A lot of students don't like to think about it, but imagine it's just like the 11x gets distributed to everything on the inside. Here, this 2x gets distributed to everything on top, but instead of multiplying, you're just dividing. So what I like to do is rewrite the top and then write the 2x squared under everything. Everything gets divided by the 2x squared. All right? Everything gets divided, so write it twice. If you do it this way, you make much less mistakes. It's really common to make mistakes on these. So do it this way, and I promise you, you won't make as many mistakes. All right, so now we're dividing. 18 divided by 2 is 9. When you divide, you subtract. 5 minus 2 is 3. Minus 14 divided by 2 is 7. X to the third over x squared is just x. Again, you can put a 1 there if you want, but you don't have to. This whole thing is the answer. Okay. Number 9. 25 x to the fourth plus 15 x to the third plus 5x all over 5x. Pause the video and try it on your own. Just like before, I'm going to rewrite the top. 25x to the fourth plus 15x to the third plus 5x. I'm going to put the 5x under everything. Again, it prevents error. All right. Oops, can't see that, can you? All right, so just dividing. 25 divided by 5 is 5. Again, remember, a plain x is a 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. Plus 15 over 5 is 3x. 3 minus 1 is 2. Now, here's the trick. A lot of students, 5x over 5x, they know, oh, that cancels out, so I don't write anything. Well, you got to think about it. Is 5 divided by 5 0? No. If you have 5 people, putting them in 5 groups, it's 1 person per group. So it's plus 1. This is really common on the SATs, so pay attention to this. 5x over 5x is 1. That's the answer. All right. X over x is 1. 5 over 5 is 1. 1,000 over 1,000 is 1. Okay. All right, number 10. I'm going to actually write 10 and 11, and I want you to try both of them on your own. Don't just watch me try it. Try it on your own. If you make a mistake, just cross it out and put the correct answer. So there's 10 and 11. 27x to the fifth minus 36x to the fourth minus 9x squared all over 9x squared. And number 11, 16x to the third minus x all over x. So the first thing I do is I rewrite the problem. And then I put the divisor under everything. 9x squared, 9x squared, 9x squared. And then we divide. Right? 27 divided by 9 is 3. X to the fifth divided by x squared. Subtract your exponents and you get 3. 5 minus 2 is 3. Minus 36 over 9 is 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. 9 divided by 9 is 1. X squared over x squared is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. Right, so this is your answer. And number 11. Again, rewrite the problem and put the bottom under both of them. Prevents mistakes. Again, remember the exponent there is a 1. There's no numbers to divide, so it's just 16x. 3 minus 1 is 2. Minus x divided by x is 1. Anything divided by itself is 1. Happy face divided by happy face is 1. All right, we got 2 more and we are done. All that prep with monomials, this is not that bad. All right, so number 12 and 13, and we're done. Okay. I'm going to write them again, pause the video, try it on your own. 100 x to the 11 minus 50x to the 4th over 25x. So, number 12. 12x to the 3rd times 7x to the 13th plus 8x squared. And number 13, 100x to the 11th minus 50x to the 4th all over 25x. Pause the video, try them on your own, and then check your answer. So we're distributing. We are multiplying. Remember, when things touch like that, there's an invisible times. 12 times 7 is 84. X, 3 and 13 is 16. Add exponents when you multiply. Plus 12 times 8 is 96. X, add our exponents. 3 and 2 is 5. And we're done. And then last, number 13, rewrite the numerator. Write the denominator under both of them. You're distributing the 25x to both the problems. Okay? Divide. 100 divided by 24. If you have $1, you have, how many quarters is that? 4. Subtract your exponents. 11 minus, again, that 1 is there. You get 10. Minus, if you have 50 cents and 20 in quarters, how many quarters do you have? You have 2. X, 4 minus 1 is 3. And that is lesson number 2.